Hello and welcome back to Memory at Lightning Speed with a permanent memory sphere and power recall. Let me briefly outline my synopsis of what we found in the research regarding this misinformation having been passed down over time. There is no scientific evidence to back up the percentage remembering numbers. Here's the thing. Anybody who knows anything about research would know that results that round numbers ending with a 0 and a 5 are simply not credible. More importantly, the numbers directly contradict much of what the real scientific research tells us about learning. People do not necessarily remember more of what they hear rather than what they read. They do not necessarily remember more of what they see and hear than what they say. The numbers are nonsense, and the potency is incorrect as well. Obviously, objectively, the actual research on human learning shows that human beings are highly variable in how much they remember. My collaborators, and I must say the others, did most of the historical legwork, found the first mention of the percentage remembering numbers from 1914 and 1922. In those publications, the numbers were characterized as findings that were long known, but no specific research was cited. It's really rather a fascinating study of how misinformation flows from person to person and from publication to publication. Indeed, we found at least 8 publications commonly cited as the place where the research on percentages could be viewed in its elemental form. In none of these publications was any research described. Edgar Dale did create a cone, but his didn't have any numbers on it. His original version from his book shows a cone-shaped divided into 13 sections, divisions, and I'm reciting it from the top. Verbal symbols, visual symbols, recordings, radio, still pictures, motion pictures, educational television, exhibits, study trips, demonstrations, dramatized experiences, contrived experiences, and direct, purposeful experiences. Just as critical, Dale didn't intend his cone, also called pyramid of learning, to be prescriptive. That is, he didn't want us to use his cone to make instructional design decisions. He created his cone as a descriptive model, attempting to capture what the landscape was like back in 1946. What you can do. The most important thing we can do as professionals is to be skeptical when we encounter research or evidence. With a healthy dose of skepticism, we are less likely to be infected with misinformation. In addition, we need to stand up for the professionalism in our field by gently pushing back against bad information and those who convey it. And I look forward to seeing you in the next session. Thank you for watching and listening. If you like the video, please feel free to share it with others as you see fit. Now join my library. There are more than 240 videos for you to watch and learn from. I see you in the course. Next, click on Video52U. It's for you. Watch now and learn more. See you there. Bye for now. Take care. Ciao.